Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, the one with the toggles, which are located on the right side. And in here you'll find the hotspot, which I think this is the default location of it, so it should be somewhere on the second page. Now do keep in mind that whoever designed this is an absolute idiot, so when you have airplane mode on, hotspot kind of becomes almost invisible and you also can't really access it. Now, easy fix by creating this would have been to, I don't know, tap it and tell you to disable the airplane mode and just give you the option to do it right here, but I guess simplicity isn't part of this. So yeah, let's just turn that off and actually have access to our hotspot. So when you find this toggle, you want to first time hold it. The reason for that is in here you'll navigate into the settings, so let's select set up portable hotspot, and in here you'll find your hotspot password, which you can see is just randomly generated trash. So let's remove it and set our own. As you can see, it tells us that our hotspot password needs to have at least 8 characters in length. There we go. At which point we can save it. That's really all we want to change. It also gives us the name of the hotspot right here, so Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. That's basically all we really need. So now that it's set up, let's find the toggle once again and simply tap on it. As you can see, it's now enabled and you can connect to your hotspot. Now once you're done with your hotspot, finished using it, tap on it once more to turn it off. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.